Hello friends, so good afternoon. Today we are going to discuss about what is the taxable event under GST. Taxable event in any transaction or occurrence that result in a tax consequences. Before levying any tax, taxable events needs to be ascertained. It is the foundation stone of any taxation system. It determines the point at which the tax would be levied. Under the earlier indirect tax regime, the framework of taxable event in various statutes was prone to catena of interpretation resulting in litigation since decades. The controversies largely related to the issues like whether a particular process amounted to a manufacture or not, whether the sale was predetermined sale, whether the particular transaction was a sale of goods or renting of services. GST was resolved this issue by laying down one comprehensive taxable event, that is supply. Supply of goods or services or both below various taxable events, namely manufacture, sale, rendering of services, purchase, entry into territory of state that existed prior to the introduction of the GST has been done away with in the favor of just one event, that is supply, meaning thereby that only supply is the taxable event. GST law, by levying the tax on supply of goods or services, both depart from the historical understood concept of taxable event. Under the state VAT laws, the excise laws, state tax laws, that is sale, manufacture, provision of services, retrospectively in the GST regime, the entire value of supply of goods or services is taxed in an integrated manner. Unlike the earlier indirect taxes, which were charged independently either on the manufacture or sale of goods or provision of service, meaning thereby that taxable event is only the supply of goods or services would be the taxable event under GST. So we are just starting the GST discussion from now onwards, and go for the supply and what the meaning of the GST goods and services, and how the meaning are ascertained. We will continue with this video like the same, and for future update, please keep subscribe and like and share my video, and for future understanding, please stay tuned to my video. Thank you.